Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's the first time seeing me, you are welcome. Today's video is a no makeup look, so stay tuned while we go right into this video. But before then, if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, leave a comment right down below and share your thoughts with me. Let me know what videos you want me to be creating on this channel, so stay tuned while we go right into this. I'll be using this skin toner to tone my skin. I'll be doing a little skin prepping before I will put some product on my skin. So I just want to give that illusion of no makeup, but you're wearing something. Yeah, so when they ask, are you wearing makeup on your face, you'll be like, I'm not. So the next thing I'll be doing is to go in with this oil. This from Debbyluster. So I'm just going to be using this under my eyes because I want to have this, you know, like a glowing skin. I'll be using some few products actually, but I want my skin to be like glowing. I love to glow. Yeah. So I'm just applying that under my eyes, and then I'm just going to pat that on my skin. I'm just pressing that into my skin, so I'm just slapping that product in. So the next thing I like to go in with is primer. This primer controls shine, minimizes pores, and also hydrates and smoothing out the skin. In as much as I want my skin to be glowing, I apply some primer just to hold in some oil and control the shine like throughout the day if you're going somewhere, so you won't get too shiny. In as much as you want to be glowing, you still need to control the shine. So this is what I do. And also, you know, this primer control minimizes pores and also help your skin to feel hydrated. So I always use this primer whenever I'm doing this sort of makeup, no makeup look, just to hydrate my skin a bit and then minimize my pores. So the next thing I'm going to be applying is from nubanbeauty, the glow. So I just want to add some glow to my skin. Oh my gosh, this is so much. So I'm just going to be adding this to the highest point of my face. I just want to bring some life to it. Remember, it's a no makeup look, so just gonna be scrubbing like you know, wear makeup, but you have tons of product on your face. So I'll be using my hands to apply most of the products that I'm going to, so that you just have that, you know, natural finish to your skin. So I'm putting that at the tip of my nose. I love to glow. So, and then you've seen that skin already is glowing. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing is to color correct. So I'm just going to be using this color right here, the orange from this palette is from Ferrarucci. So I'm going to be using this, so fill in some dark spots. Doing the same thing on this side, and then I'll be going in with some concealer from Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Fawn, so I'll just be using this to go over the color corrector, just to help it look like a skin. So I'm just using my finger to push that into my skin. I don't want it everywhere, in as much as I am covering. It's just to cover the areas that you want, not everywhere. So I'm just patting this into my skin, and I'm not going everywhere. I'm just concentrating on the areas that I need to cover. So I feel sometimes that finger just get the products placed well and just go sink into your skin. So I love to use my fingers for this particular makeup. Most times, not like I don't use makeup tools for this, I do, but sometimes, or most of the times, I like to use my fingers, because this just make you look like, okay, maybe it gives you exactly what you're looking for, not like you're wearing something, but at least something is on your skin. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be using this from nubanbeauty. This is in W7, so I'm going to be using this foundation on my skin, but I'm not going to apply too much. I'm just going to be using a very tiny bit of it, just to, this foundation also is a very lightweight foundation. It doesn't cover, so if you don't have like super smooth skin, I guess you'll be needing something more, you know. But I feel it's good for this look, because you don't want to have too much thing going on your skin. So you definitely need, I usually use a lightweight foundation like this, but this is their sample size. The bigger, or the original size is bigger than this, so I just got this as a gift. So I'll be using this on my skin, just to, you know, further just cover up some stuff, but not too much. I'm just tapping that foundation on the areas that I just need to cover. Remember, it's a no makeup look, and you want your skin to be glowing. So I'm just using my finger to do this. So I'll be taking that under my eyes. You can pretty much just apply this foundation everywhere, because it's a very lightweight foundation. If you have a super smooth skin, this foundation will be so beautiful on you. Now for people like us, if you have a super smooth skin, you don't even need to go in with corrector, pore minimizing primer and all of that. You can just use the foundation off straight, because because you have a smooth skin. But if you don't, like me, you need to do all of those serum. Like I said, I just love to use my finger for this particular no makeup look, because this just, it helps me not to put too much on my skin, and also just help my skin to look like, yeah, like I don't really have something going on. And if you're using your hands to apply any product at all on your skin, or you want to use your hands for this particular step or this particular makeup look, make sure that your fingers or your hands are very clean, so that you will not leave bacteria on your skin. So I washed my hands before I started this. So the next thing I'll be doing is to spray my face with this glow mist. This is from Hush Beauty's. Shake, and then I spray. This is just to bring more glow to the face, okay? So I'm going to be using this beauty sponge to push in the liquid illuminator into my face or my skin. So I'm just pushing that. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin right now because this is a lightweight product. Like everything I've used is lightweight. I'm not really feeling like I'm wearing anything, so I can go anywhere and back. Like I don't feel like anything is on my skin. So this is how simple and gorgeous this look is. Next thing, guys, I love to use cream blush for this particular look because I just want to keep everything glowy. So I just love to use my finger to just pat this into my skin. So guys, I'm going back into the nubanbeauty, the glow liquid lighter I used earlier. So I'm just going to be taking a tiny little bit and then just yeah. This is just to add some extra glow to my skin. I just love to glow, okay? Are you feeling that glow already? So I don't want too much going on, but you know, for the fact that it's a no makeup look, I love my skin to be really looking glowy and fresh. I just take my brow pencil from Debbyluster to just define my brows a little bit, just to give my brows a little definition. Just concentrating on the tail of my brows. I'm just brushing my hair through. So if you have microblading, this will just save you the whole, you know, stress of going to fill in the tail of your brows just to, you know, give your brows some illusion of a microblading. So this is basically what I do to my brows on the day I want to look like I'm not having anything going on my face. So the next thing I do is gloss. But before I apply my glosses, I want to be using this black pencil from Debbyluster as well. I just want to line my waterline. I know I'm doing too much already. I like to do this step whether I'm wearing makeup or not. I love to do this step because it just brings life to my face. I don't know if that happens to anybody, but I just love to line my eyes with a black liner because this just helps to, you know, bring out my face. Also that line as well. I'm not going to wear lashes, so This just helps my lashes to look fuller. So the next thing I do is to use the Lengthening Mascara from Zion Cosmetics. So I'm just going to be picking my lash one after the other. Yeah, if you ask me, I'm still not wearing makeup, so don't ask me because I'll tell you, no, I'm not. I'm not going to be picking my bottom lashes. I'm only going to be picking my upper lash. I almost put that into my eyes. So you see the reason why I said I don't like talking when I'm dealing with my eyes, because I always feel I'm going to get that somewhere else. So I know I'm doing too much already, but this is basically what I do. If you ask me, are you wearing makeup still? I'll tell you, no, I'm not. Okay, my gloss is a clear gloss, so I usually use this. It's like a shiny kind of lipstick or something, but it has some sparkling to it. So this is what I love to do. This is not really like a lipstick. The name is like it's off the body because I've been using this for a very long time now. It's actually not a lipstick, actually it's like, I don't know the name to call that. It has all this shiny stuff in it, so I don't really use that as a lipstick. I apply it either on after a lipstick, or maybe if I'm using a clear gloss like this. So I'm using this gloss from Absolute. This is a pure clear gloss, so I'm coating that on top of the shiny stuff I just used, like a lipstick. Are you seeing that? This always gives me some nice vibes. Anytime I use this, just give my lips some, you know, beautiful shine. Next thing I want to do is just give a little depth to my face. So I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me in 340 Cappuccino just to, you know, give some depth to my skin, some definition, tapping that a little bit, not so much. When you ask me if I'm having any makeup on, I'll simply tell you, no, I'm not. Final but not the least, I'm going to be using my setting spray. This is from Flawless Ivy, is their hydrating mist. So I want that mist, that face to keep glowing, so that is why I'm using the hydrating mist. So I'm just going to let this dry down and I will be back. So guys, if you ask me if I have any makeup on, my answer is no. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not seen my previous videos, I'll be leaving the link right down below at the description box. Please go check that out. Thank you. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.